Guys, why do I look so scary. I literally just took my hair out of a freaking slick back bun, and this is what my hair looks like. It looks so crunchy. Anyways, I just came back from a gel pedicure. I don't know why, but I still get confused with manicures and pedicures. Girl, I be forgetting the difference. Low-key, I be forgetting. I remember my mom told me manos, manicure, pies, pedicure. Now that's a trick. That's a trick. But I'm in a brand new. A girl does feel a little, you know, I don't know, but long story short, I need to do something to my hair. I'm just like, okay, hair time. I'm gonna be temporarily dyeing my hair again. I'm gonna be using the Arctic Fox Girls Night, so it's purple. Girl, I'm gonna have purple hair. I'm gonna look like what is that thing from McDonald's? Grimace. I'm gonna look like Grimace core. But yeah, I'm gonna do the Girls Night purple Arctic Fox, and they sent me the Arctic Mist diluter, and it says I need a shower, and I got my iced coffee, so I'm feeling very, yeah. This is like a mini little glow up. Do you see the clothes piled up that I have right here? Stay tuned for a Depop this summer. Stay tuned for my Depop opening again this summer, because this is ridiculous. Oh, like summer's literally around the corner, even though I'm gonna do another one. Like, I'm definitely gonna change my hair again for summer. What the heck? I've been breaking out so bad. So stressed, but I want to see the why. I have midterms next week, and a girl is literally hanging by a thread. I'm hanging by a thread. My eye bags. Oh my goodness, girl. I need more than a glow up. I need sleep. Okay, my hair's dry now. Like, it's not even like fully dry. It's like semi-dry, but I'm impatient. So we're gonna do it now. Cut it. We got purple hair. I don't even know how I'm gonna style it, because I'm gonna do my makeup. Guys, I'm gonna style my hair. I got it on my carpet. I got it on my freaking carpet. Yeah, let me show you guys my run. Okay. Girl. It's not even that messy, but my legs, I can't. My legs, I cannot. I was so scared I got it in my coffee. I didn't. 30 minutes on the clock. It's time. I'm excited. I left it on for 45 minutes instead of 30, just because I wanted to give it that extra oomph, you know? But now I'm just like, okay, time to wash out. I'm also terrified because I don't want to use my cute Hello Kitty towel. Let me wash her out. Ooh, this is gonna be a lot. I'll be right back. Guys, I just washed her all. Oh my god. Whoa. She's really purple. Okay. In my products now, picture here, I want to do this eye makeup look. And I got like the stickers. I have the stickers, and like for the heart, I have like stickers that I want to like use, makeup stickers, and they're shaped like hearts. And I'm like, oh, I want to use it. So I'm gonna try and attempt to do this really cute makeup look along. I don't know what I'm gonna wear. I don't know. Kind of want to wear her down. I feel like that would be cute, right? 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 Like a little down air movement, a little lick. Also, I want to wear these cute little press-ons. They look terrifying right now just because I've like been on and off putting them on, but I really want to put them on. They're strawberries. You guys will see them when I put them on because they're looking a little scary right now. Then also I have these cute temporary tattoos. Oh, am I entering my bad girl era? I don't know. But I think they're so cute. And like there's bows. I want to add that. That would be cute. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna add the bows like right here on my chest. Like wouldn't they would look so cute right here. Am I tripping? No, that would be cute, right? Right? Temporary tattoos? Guys, who am I? Who literally, they also have a strawberry. Oh my goodness. I don't know what I should do. I think these are pimple stickers. And you guys will see me after my transformation.